Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we gonna see the where the sum of the commodities works. This is the crude oil guys. So what I will expect is that if somewhere here only it maybe takes support and goes one side momentum. Just a second guys. Okay guys, our first target will be here, second target will be here. Okay guys, if this will happen, okay guys, after that if it will came somewhere here and take support, then you can go for your first, second target and third target. Okay guys, somewhere here only from previous week and previous months, whatever you think that it will be the high. Okay guys, so here sellers will automatically dominance will came. So remember that if it open gap up and goes on upside momentum, then you have to see that it will take somewhere here only resistance. Then you have to keep your SL slightly 124.35, okay guys, or 30, whatever you will think. You can take there your SL and goes up till here guys, up till here your you can take your profit, okay guys, or up till here guys, first, second in downside and up till here. Okay guys, if it will broken, then you have to see that it has to take support guys. Okay guys, it has to take support. Then I will update the in Telegram channel whatever levels or whatever I will see in upside momentum, how much it can be go. So I will update there. You can join my Telegram channel. I will link in the description guys. Go and join there. Okay guys, if the market will slightly come from here on the slowly came, continuously consolidate, take resistance, your first target will be somewhere here, second target. Okay guys, up till here only. Why I am telling you, because of buyer dominance we have seen here. You can see that buyer's zone, this is the one of the buying zone. Just you see that this is the buying zone. Okay guys, so you have to conscious about it here. After it will break and take resistance, then you can take your up till something here 110 or further also. I will update in Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel guys, link in the description. So I will tell you how to take trade in further and what will be the your target. Okay guys, so we can see the natural gas also. I have told you in previous week also. I will just show you. This is the analysis. I have told you this will act as a support. You can see here exactly here only it's taking a support. You can see that once again support. So you can see here. So I will just make here a supporting area guys for you. So this will show us the dominance of buyers. Okay guys, so right now what we have to do is that if it will slowly came downside, okay guys, take once again support, then we can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, you can see up till your first target will be here, second target will be here. Okay guys, and then your third target, this will be the fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four targets, and you have to remember guys, it has to slowly come and take support, but this is first and second, two times it has been taken support. So you have to wait for it, or you can see that if your risk is very small, then you can surely go for it. Okay guys, otherwise you can surely go for short position, and your first target will be somewhere here, second target, third target. Okay guys, these three target. After that, if I see the big momentum will come, I will surely update in Telegram channel. This is the one of the XAU means gold analysis guys. So you can see here guys, exactly it has been taking a support right now. So I will just draw it for you guys. Just okay guys, so this will be the acting as a supporting area. So what we have to see is you have to buy somewhere here only. Okay guys, otherwise if it has to cross, okay guys, then your first target will be somewhere here, second target, this will be the smaller third target, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, where you have to buy is that this level has to be broken. After that only you can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, I will show you downside also. If take resistance, then you can go for first target, second target, third target, and fourth target. Okay guys, this is the buyer zone area, so you have to conscious about it here. Okay guys, we can see the coffee trade. Okay guys, in coffee trade you can see here guys, continuously consolidation happen. Right now this is the first time it's coming to take a supporting area, so it eventually take a support our first target, second target, this will be the our third target. Okay guys, you have to see that first time whenever come it became a reversible, so you can go for upside momentum. In downside also it will take a resistor, our first target, second and third target. Okay guys, I will just mark it up so you can take the correct targets. So I will just shift it. Okay guys, from here it will came downside, then only you can go for your first target somewhere here guys. Okay guys, second target will be here, third target will be the here, fourth target. In downside, first target and second target. Okay guys, these are the target. We can see for next natural gas, these are the some of the target, just I will mark it up. So somewhere our in upside momentum, first target, second target, third target, these are the fourth target. In downside take resistance, then our first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, we can see the next major forex pair. Sorry guys, not a next major forex, this is the gold analysis. So I will just mark it up, our levels, first target, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay guys, in downside first, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, we can see for coffee also, just a second guys. Okay, in coffee also you can see here our first, second, third target. Okay guys, our first downside, second target downside, third target downside. Okay guys, these are the some of the analysis of commodity. You can surely go for. If you have any confusion, please comment me down guys, I will clear your any doubt. So hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the where the previous analysis what we have done in some of the commodities, how it's behave, and then we can see the next week how they gonna behave. Okay guys, right now what we have discussed, if it will take support but it doesn't take support, goes upside, but you can see here it makes a W pattern. But remember this, after here I have told you it will act as a resistance. Exactly, I acted as a resistance. You can see that gap down happened. Okay guys, after that this W pattern has been made. You can see here double bottom also made and double bottom also made and W pattern also breakout. You can see here breakout is happened. You have to buy somewhere here, your SL will be at this point only, and you can see that how nicely it gives us our target. Okay guys, we can see the natural gas too guys. In natural gas you can see here continuously consolidation happened. After that it taken a resistance. You can see here our first target reached, after that only it reversible. After that here only somewhere here buyer are so much interested, so here only it came somewhere, and after that you can see that boom, one-sided momentum has been came. Okay guys, after that it has been reached our first, second target downside. In upside also it goes upside. Here only you have to see that it is a buyer's domination, so here you have got somewhere here also you have buy. Okay guys, here exactly you have to buy here only, but it's okay if you do not taken it straight. After that it became a one of the biggest momentum has been done. After that it became a volatile only. Okay guys, after that it became volatile and closed. So we can see the next is XAU. Okay guys, we have got very nice trade in gold, because I have told you this will act as resistance. You can see here exactly here only you have buyed here your SL, and you can see that exactly it's broken within 3 to 4 candle. You have got very nice targets, but after that you can see that it came down once again, exactly taking resistance from this trend line only. So you have hope you have booked here only, and after that you can see that once again came and taking resistance exactly here only you have shorted. Okay guys, you can see that one-sided momentum, our first target, second target treated. After that here some of the bias has been came. You can see that this is the swing. Okay guys, you know that this is the one of the swing. and acted as a resistance. Just I will shift it for you. You can see that it acted as a resistance after this is crossed, and you can see that one-sided momentum has been cleared. Okay guys, this is like a pole and flag also. You have to see in smaller time frame, but I will tell you like this only because we don't have time, so this video will become a very big. So this will act as a pole and flag pattern. After that, boom, you can see that first, second, third target hit. After that only it became a weaker, and after that you can see here, this is the one swing in smaller time frame. After that, one sided momentum, and right now it is acting as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, we can see for coffee. Okay guys, in coffee you can see here, I have told you if it will goes upside, you can see that it broken, came downside slightly somewhere here only, but you can see here, this is the swing. You can see here, this is the swing, exactly here came and taken support. Okay guys, here only you have to buy. Our first target is second time, up till here only slightly you can see that. After that it became reversible and came downside. Okay guys, these are the analysis how we have traded. Okay guys, next week how you have to trade, I have told you already. So go and check out. If you like this video guys, please if you like this video, then please comment me down what is the thing you do not like about the thing. Is that what if teaching is bad or something additional thing, what you want, that you can tell me, so I will improve my teaching, and you can learn very nicely and make a surely a good profit within a month or within a week guys. So please, you can check out my forex analysis also and crypto analysis, and for commodity also I have done very nice in these, so you can check out guys. Thank you guys.